To fix the Chime app that is not loading, you can do this step-by-step fixes. First, determine if there is a system-wide issue with Chime. You can check the current status on Down Detector. If there is an outage, you will have to wait for Chime to resolve it. In the meantime, you may be able to access your account via the Chime website. Also, verify the internet connectivity. A poor or unstable internet connection can prevent the app from loading. So ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working correctly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one connection works better than the other. Next is to update the Chime app. Running an outdated version of the app can cause loading or crashing issues. For iOS, open the App Store, tap your profile icon, and scroll down to available updates and click the update next to Chime. For Android, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, select Manage Apps and Device, and tap the update next to Chime. And that's our fix if your Chime app is not loading, and thank you for listening.